Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of GIS with Skip, with me, Skip. Today we're going to talk about how to put layers that you've created or worked with here on your ArcGIS Pro desktop application, how to get them up to ArcGIS Online for use in online mapping. So if we look at my ArcGIS Online right now, you'll see I have no content here. So if I were to make a map, I wouldn't have any of the layers I've worked on my desktop application. To get something up there, it's really easy. You're just going to select the feature layer in your table of contents, go up to Share here on the ribbon, click on the little arrow underneath Web Layer and say Publish Web Layer. And it's going to bring up this little thing here on the right. We're going to name it. It's going to take this feature. We're going to just name it All Jersey Mike's USA can. Oh, we can't have that. USA can. We won't do a summary or tags here. I will do another video later on the importance of summaries and tags and metadata, but for right now we're going to do bad practices. We're just going to show how to upload it. We're going to upload this as features, and then here in the location you can mouse this down and you'll see here that I have just the root folder. And that's because I don't have any other folders created. So you don't see anything in there. We could go in here and we could create a new folder, but we don't want to do that. Under sharing, we can choose who we want to share this with. We could share it with everybody, and then everybody can see all the Jersey Mike's locations, or we could just share it with me at GIS with Skip. And that's all we're going to do for now. As soon as we've done that, we can click this Publish button. It's going to check and make sure everything's kosher, and see we have here unique numeric IDs are not assigned. So that's interesting. Let's figure out how to fix that. So we can open map properties to allow assignment. Allow assignment of unique numeric IDs for sharing web layers. Okay, we'll click that on and we'll click OK. And now we can analyze it again just to make sure we have no more errors. It says the data source is not supported. Which one? What is that? What data source is not supported? Oh, it's just telling us that our base map stuff isn't supported for upload, which is fine because we have base maps up there. So we can click Publish. As long as we don't have any red X's, we're going to be good to go. So we do that. We solved the red X. Now it's consolidating our data and staging the web layer. We'll let that run for just a moment here. Okay, uploading service definitions. Okay, and we see here web layer published successfully. Awesome. So if we come back in here now into our stuff and we refresh, wouldn't you know, here we go. We have our feature layer and it's hosted, so we can now use this in any of our maps that we want to build on ArcGIS Online. So that was my tutorial on how to take feature layers from your desktop application and get them online. If you liked this, be sure to click the like button. If you got anything from this video or made it to this part, just click the subscribe button if you haven't already. It's a great free way to support the channel. And if you have any questions or comments, drop those in the comments section down below and I will respond to it, I assure you. All right, thanks everybody. Until next time, see you around.